Hi there, and today we're going to learn about how to fix the Shopify 404 error. So this happens when you go to a page in your website that doesn't really exist. So for example, if I go to the online store and then from here, I will click view your store. We should be right here in our home page. And then for example, if I change the URL to having a page that doesn't exist. So for example, I type in /test. And then what will happen is that it will go right here to the 404 error, page not found, since that doesn't really exist in my Shopify website. So another thing that will make this happen is, for example, right here in content, in menus. So if I change the main menu to have an item that doesn't really exist. So for example, let's also put in here like a test page, and then it will redirect to a page that doesn't exist. For example, like that. If I click save, this will appear in the Shopify website. So let's reload right here until we see the test page. Right here, make sure it is in the main menu. And then now the test page is right here. But when I click on it, so it will also have the 404 error since this page doesn't really exist. So one way that you can fix it is by having a correct page right here in your main menu. So for example, I have this test label and I want it to go to, for example, the news page. And then we can just make this the blog. So this is just an example, and then click save. And then when we reload our website, we should now have the blog page right here. So if I click on it, it should lead me right here to the news page, since that's what we entered here in the main menu. And another way is that you can go back right here to menus and then click URL redirects. So from here, you can create manual URL redirect so that whenever the user goes to a page that doesn't really exist in your website, URL redirect will change automatically the URL of the website. For example, let's create a URL redirect, and then let's do the URL like this. So the test page earlier that doesn't really exist. So we can just copy this, go back here, paste it right here, and then let's say it should go back to the home page. So we can click save redirect. So this should now work. So whenever the user goes to the test page, it will now automatically go right here to the home page. So for example, if I type in test again, so the URL redirect will automatically redirect me to the home page. So that is it. So that is how we can fix the Shopify 404 error. So it's either you need to create a URL redirect or you need to have a valid page in your menus. And then that's it. I hope you learned how to do it, and thank you for watching.